guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review on the new Milk, what is this? Is this Milk Cosmetics Luminous Blur Stick Primer, and this is how the little primer looks like. This is in the little packaging that it came in, and this is how the actual thing looks like. As you guys have probably seen on the reviews, it just looks like a deodorant. You kind of, you know, twist the cap off and it has a little seal. I just got it on there. I always do this. And then you just twist it up. You twist up the products. So let's see. It is $36. What it is, a luminous, oil-free, silicone-free, and vegan matte primer that goes on clear to work on all skin tones. What it does, the Luminous take on Milk Makeup's best-selling Blur Stick Matte Primer. Okay, well it says best-selling, but it just came out, but okay. Matte primer blurs the look of pores and fine lines while creating a shimmering matte finish. The silicone-free and oil-free formula goes on clear to create a golden pearl infused glow on all skin tones without clogging pores. Let's see what else. Blurring microspheres absorbs oil to mattify the skin while leaving a luminous pearl finish that smoothing the look of skin that makes that so that makeup lays down better and wears longer. I cannot read today, you guys. But yeah, it's just supposed to make your face look pretty, so I mean, let's see how to use. Swipe, stick all over face and blend to prime skin. Use on T-zone or targeted areas to absorb oil. Use on cheekbones to leave subtle natural highlight or alone as a luminous invisible foundation. Invisible foundation. Okay, well, for dry skin, moisture first and then swipe to prime skin. For oily, swipe all over face and then blend. Okay, so I guess we're just gonna go in with this. I'm just gonna swipe. I'm gonna put it right now. Okay, well, it's not invisible. Some colors coming off. Let me bring my mirror just a little bit closer. I'm gonna bring it mainly to my nose because that is where I mainly have pores. And I'm gonna be using it with this with the Dior foundation. I've used this foundation a lot actually. So, I kind of already know how the foundation does, so this is going to be a test with this primer, I guess, right? And right now it is 12:23 p.m. So, we'll see how long this will last, or how pretty it'll look until, if you know how it'll do actually. Let's see if it'll get oily or looks, I don't know. We'll just see. And now it's time to blend it in. And I mean, I'm gonna use my fingers. So I look pretty oily. I mean, not oily. I look pretty shiny. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna go in with, like I said, the Dior foundation, the Dior Forever Undercover 24-hour full foundation, full coverage, and I got the shade 025, and I've done a review on this foundation already, so if you'd like, you can just go on over to my channel and, you know, look at the other, look at the review that I've done on this. Only if you like a honest review. Alright, so I'm gonna do a couple dots on my hand, what I normally do. And let's get this little foundation brush and just kind of swipe it on. With this foundation, like, I never know how much I'm using or how much to use. Okay, we have a good amount. And this should now be my right shade with this foundation. I literally went to go change it 3 times. I did try going with the shade 21, but it just looked too ashy on me because it was just too light. So that happened. And I'm gonna go in with this Morphe Y11, Y6 brush and just blend this all out. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna do the rest of my face. Actually, let me do some of my face on camera. This is gonna be the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2.5 Cream Brulee. I was gonna take this where I usually put my concealer at. And I'm gonna also prime my eyelids with this. And I'm just going to take that same brush that I did my foundation with and blend it out. Alrighty, so now I'm definitely going to do the rest of my face off of camera. And I guess I'll be back once I have everything done and show you guys. And I will definitely be wearing this. It's going to be definitely a wear test. See how well this primer does, and I will let you guys know, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is all the makeup that I'm going to put on my face. At the moment it is 12:55. I'm going to wear this throughout like the whole entire day. I will let you guys know. I will come back in like on here and do a final check-in just to let you guys know how long the like how does the primer, like, you know, if it makes my foundation any worse or any better. I will let you guys know. So I will do a checkup maybe like around 7 to 8 maybe, just because I have work tomorrow and I kind of don't, you know, want to stay up late. So yeah, so that's, I guess this is kind of like the end for right now, so I'll be back later. See you guys in a bit. Okay y'all, so it's been various hours. It is currently almost 6:30. Actually the primer is, you can definitely not see my pores. This is definitely a blur primer. I will definitely be using it. It does not leave my face overly overly shiny. That's the word I'm looking for. It doesn't leave it super duper shiny and luminous, but it doesn't leave it like, you know, a dry matte either. Like, I mean, you can kind of see some shine in my face, can't you? I mean, there's some shine in my face, but it's okay. It's something I'm comfortable with. I think that overall, my foundation, like just everything my foundation has lasts. I'm not sure if that's because of the primer though. The foundation's just overall good. It is creasing, but it's because of the setting powder that I used. I did a full face of drugstore makeup, which that video is going to go up before this one. I use this powder, the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is just really bad. I tried giving it a chance yesterday when I tried it on, when I put it on my skin. I didn't leave it on for hours, so I wouldn't exactly be able to tell you how good it lasted. But this powder has made my foundation crease a lot on a lot of places on my face. Like right here, it looks like I have so many dots because it literally goes, but it's only on some parts where I put the powder on like really well. It just is gonna make it look cute, you know. I didn't really like the powder. Oh, and it's not flash, like it has flash, like flashback. Is that what it's called? When you take the picture on flash, it definitely, like, it looks like a white cast. Like, my boyfriend literally told me that it looks like I have a mask on and he can literally start peeling it off. Like, it just looks so bad. So if you're planning on taking pictures with flash and you wear this powder, do not, like, no, don't wear it, or don't use flash. But other than that, like, I like how the stain came out, and I will definitely be wearing this more. I really like it, so yay on that. I will be doing a review on the blur stick, on the Just Matte blur stick. I think that's what it's called. Let me get the bag out. I mean, let me get the thing out. So it's called, oh, it's just called a blur stick. This is the Luminous one, and this is the regular blur stick. So I will be doing a review on the blur stick itself because I have been wanting to try this out, although I feel like it's literally gonna look the same. Actually, I don't even know, because right here kind of looks like a little shiny, but it's cute shiny, you know, like on my chin a little bit too. It's cute, it's cute, it's something I like. So I guess that's that. I'm just gonna end the video here because it's doing good. I like it. So yeah, so that's the end of this video. If you'd like, you can comment down below any other products that you'd like me to try out, or any other challenges, or just videos in general you'd like me to do. And make sure to subscribe. Don't forget, hit that notification bell down below too, because you don't want to miss your girl's videos. You want to be notified every time I upload, and every single day, and every single minute, and just everything, girl. So hit that notification down below, support your girl. And I think that's it for this video. See you guys in my next one. Bye.